Egg yolk face mask for remove wrinkles. I need 1 egg. It will moisturize your skin and leave it feeling fresh, clean, and soft to the touch. Egg yolk. Tarmaric. Add honey. Add rose water, few drops. Mix well. Remove wrinkles. Get instant glowing. Wash the skin well before applying the pack. Nourishing egg yolk face mask. This face mask is easy, nourishing, soothing, and hydrating for the skin. Remove marks. A thin tissue face pack can be easily removed. Wait until dry. Remove the tissue and wash the skin.